Hi everyone, Randy Wallace here, broker in charge of Keller Williams in Myrtle Beach and director of the Caney Group. I'm up here at Sugar Mountain, North Carolina, at the site of a new project that I'm working on called the Reserve 2 at Sugar Mountain. The completion of that project, they had built 18 buildings in it before with 4 units each back in 2006 and 7. And now this year we're going to complete it out in the next few years. We have incredible views here of Grandfather Mountain back behind me, Banner Elk down in the valley behind me here, and Beech Mountain in the distance back in the other direction. Now down below me you can see the tops of some of the existing buildings. There were 18 buildings that were built, 4 units each, 2 bedroom units downstairs, then 2 bedrooms with a loft. We call them 3 bedrooms, 3 baths above it. You see the mountains in the distance. They all have just these unbelievable views because we're right near the top of Sugar Mountain. Got Beech Mountain in the distance, and just below me from some of the balconies you can see the ski slopes. Can't see them from here, but from some of the balconies down below you'll be able to see those. So if you're interested in have some clients, or if you're interested in some mountain property, we have that as well. As I take one more view of Grandfather Mountain off in the distance, that's the view you're going to have from the first 3 buildings that we're starting here this summer and fall. And we can refer you to our agents up here in North Carolina if you'd like to capture this view up in North Carolina from the top of Sugar Mountain looking over to the top of Grandfather Mountain. Give us a call. Thanks.